Good morning, Tumble Towers. Pump up the volume and pump up the jam. Thursday the 11th, 10 a.m. The full TTR Massive. Feeding up today, basket tomorrow, limb this weekend, 130 miles. Beautiful forecast. Woot wooty woot. You're all going, well not all you, 11 of you lot are going. Bring it on. Actually, they're not going to do very well because we missed 2 weeks out and we didn't get basket training this week, but we're going. Good afternoon, it's still Thursday the 11th, 12th, I think. So I'm going to try and do a wee docu here of changing the weather. There's something brewing, and for 5 p.m. my Meta Weather says we are going to have a horrendous downpour with thunder and lightning. And it's brewing over there, I believe, for all you weather nerds. There you go. And I'm talking at 3:20. Over there looks the most encouraging. I do like a bit of wild weather. 4:35. The rain's kind of building a little now, and birds are taking a shower. Wish I could say that was my race team up there, but it's not. It's a ton of wideys. Everybody likes a Duke. 4:45, and the Lido is filling up. We now have some of the race team out having a freshen up, which is good. And as I keep repeating, the lovely Willie says, if you're not moving forward, you're moving backwards. And welcome to our latest creation. The new viewing area. What a piece of kit. Mum steered this, obviously. So we'll have a summer viewing there with Lindsay's shed there, my shed there, as you can see. And this time of year, it's a wee bit early yet, but once we get our midsummer suns, they'll come right out through the gap in the building. We've upgraded from the pillbox, and the pillbox is going next door. Beautiful. Lovely fucking construction. Greetings my cherubs. Pump it up, jam it up. I think I've mentioned somebody earlier in this blog that I've introduced a new tonic. It's a bit like Buckfast, I think. Buckfast for birds, I believe. But anyway, on the advice of the great dandy man. So I'm going to spend, this is, what about 8:15 on a fairly routine night. It's great sunshine. I'm going to ask you what you what do you think's wrong with my birds? Hakuna Matata. I'm obviously not going in. But it's 8:15. I think they're all stoned. I think they're all on Valium, possibly. Valium for birds. It's called KHUN Tonica. Recommended by the dandy man and supplied by Simon Sherby, who's his partner in the business. Dandy swears by it. KHUN, K-H-U-N, capitals, Tonica. I've never seen my bird so chilled. I hope it's a good thing. Shane, are you watching? I hope it's a good thing. I think the birds are drugged. Hakuna Matata towers. KHUN Tonica in the water. I'm not going to upset anybody else. I'll let you make the call. Ain't no stroppy cock tonight, boys and girls. Fuck me. Wonder drug.